Welcome back students to your YouTube channel of logical learning. So as of now we have finished the practice set 2.4. Now this particular session will be based on nature of root of quadratic equation. Okay, so when I say nature of root of quadratic equations, so what kind of natures? So as a human being, right, we have multiple natures. Like that, these roots also have some natures. When I say natures, this is not human related natures but mathematics related natures. So first, nature of this root, how these roots behave. The roots of the quadratic equations are real and equal. The first, roots of the quadratic equations are real and equal. And when it comes real and equal, you have this formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, which you have learned in the previous video, right? Out of this particular section, b square minus 4ac is equal to, we used to find, right, this value is also called a discriminant value. Okay, so when the value of this equation is 0, right, if you go to practice 2.4, the last question, right, when the value of the equation was 0, in that case your quadratic equation roots are real and equal. Equal as in when you get the final roots, it will be same, either 3 comma 3, 0 comma 0, 4 comma 4, whatever it may be, it should be same. So whenever this function, right, the important of this particular function, if it is equal to 0, your quadratic equation roots are real and equal. First concept totally clear, right? Second, roots of the quadratic equations are real and unequal. Second one, okay, when this b square minus 4ac greater than 0, it means whenever you're getting the value of this positive more than 0, your roots will be unequal, but it's real. If you don't know the value, what is real, what is rational number, that's part of learning of number system, right? So but here in this case, the moment your value of this b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, your roots are real and unequal. When I say unequal, there, there are two roots. One will be something, another will be different, 1 comma whatever it may be. Just an example. Third one, the roots of a quadratic equation are not real the moment b square minus 4ac less than 0. If this value is less than 0, it means your roots are not real. So you cannot proceed. In 10th standard, you cannot proceed. Though there are chances, there are some ways to find the roots, but in higher standard, 11 and 12, we will learn it's called complex number. Why it is not real? So the moment, for example, square root, if it is less than 0, it means negative, right? For example, negative 4. 4 square root we know, right? But square root of minus is not possible in this case. So make sure you need to check these three values. B square minus 4ac equal to 0, roots real and equal. B square minus 4ac greater than 0, roots real and equal. And the moment it goes below 0, that roots are not real. Once this is done, then we have to jump over the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficient. Okay, so you need to understand the difference between coefficient and root. If you're not clear, then we'll understand in this particular session. For example, you have the general equation ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so root that will get later, but first you need to understand the coefficient. X square coefficient here is a. If it is blank, then that will be 1. Similarly, x coefficient is b and constant coefficient is c. Let's take an example, 2x square plus 5x plus c. Here in this case, coefficient of x square is 2. Similarly, x is 5 and constant, let's say here is 0. Constant is 0. See, the other way around, once we compare, this is nothing but a, This is nothing but B, this is nothing but C. Also in practice set 2.3, we have learned something, right? What? So the moment you get this kind of equation, right, I ask you to divide throughout by coefficient of x square. For example, let's take same 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0, right? Since there is some number in front of x square, you need to divide entire equation by what? 2. So your number will be now, your equation will be now 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So ultimately, or 5 by 2 is what? It's B by A, and this is what? C by A. You understood till now, right? Okay. Now the important point. So here in this case, I can say that alpha plus beta formula is nothing but minus B by A. But you should know how it came. We'll learn that now. So to learn that, let's take example of general equation ax square plus bx plus c, and we can say that there are two roots of this equation. One root is alpha, another one is beta. Using the formula, if I say, right, so one root is alpha is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. But we are considering two different root. Here we'll use just plus. And second root would be beta minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Now you have to find the value of alpha plus beta. Simply add alpha plus beta. You need to write all those together the way I am writing it, plus here minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. 2a is common in denominator, so you can write 2a at 1 and write numerator as it is. Okay, minus b square minus 4ac. If you notice clearly, this and this will get cancelled. So remaining is what? Minus b and minus b minus 2b upon 2a. So 2 would get cancelled. So minus b by a. So your alpha plus beta, alpha and beta are two different root of the equation. It could be anything. So here minus b by a. So this is the way how alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a got derived. Similarly, you can get what? Alpha into beta. Let's check that as well. So I've written same thing, just multiplication in between alpha and beta. Okay, into sign again. Denominator is same, but no, you cannot take common this time because it's a multiplication. So 2a into 2a, it will become 4a square, and numerator, if you notice, minus b is same, plus and minus. So this is the form of a square minus b square. So minus b square minus of b square minus 4ac square root whole. Got the point? I hope it's very, very simple. Next case, after removing the square, it will become b square minus, and here square root will go, remaining like this, 4a square. Further, after solving, you can write b square, open the bracket, plus 4ac divided by 2a. Now if you notice, b square will get cancelled. So remaining is 4ac divided by 4a square, right? Again 4 will get cancelled. 1a from denominator will get cancelled. Remaining is c by a. Now you got alpha into beta also. So no need to remember anything. I mean, not remember, no need to mug up anything. You can create the formula if you know the logic. It's damn simple. Nature of root of the equation and relationship between quadratic equation and coefficient absolutely made clear. No doubt, I guess, right? If doubt, please comment me. Okay, on this basis, we can solve few questions, not everything of practice set 2.5. Let's finish that. So in next video, we'll cover the rest of the question. Okay, so let's see how this is. Simply a question, fill in the gaps and complete. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Now it's asking, so when b square minus 4ac equal to 5, what is the nature of root? It's equal to 5, not equal to 0. Not less than 0 equal to 5 means what? Which condition? Which one? Second one. Real and unequal. Right? Now b square minus 4ac equal to minus 5. So less than 0. Okay, it means not real. Simply. That's only the answer. Second, sum of the roots. Now sum of the roots is given minus 7 and product is given plus 5. It means alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7. Okay, and your alpha into beta is equal to 5. It means minus b by a is equal to minus 7 and c by a is equal to 5. So it will get cancelled. Your equation will be, what is your equation? X square plus b by a x plus c by a equal to 0. Substitute the value, you'll get the answer. What is the answer? So x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. That's your answer. Third one. So equation given 2x square minus 4x minus 3. You should know your a, b, c value here. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 3. Simply alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is b? Minus 4. Right? Minus 4 by a, 2. So 4 by 2. This is 2. Your alpha into beta, c by a. What is your c? Minus 3 and a is 2. So 3 by 2. Isn't it very simple? The moment you know the fact. Your alpha plus beta is 2. Alpha into beta is minus 3 by 2. This is damn simple. Your logic is clear. Everything is clear. Next session, next video, we'll cover the remaining question of practice set 2.5. Till then, keep learning and share and subscribe my YouTube channel if you have not shared already, if you like the video.